Let's go, family. It's time to lock in. Most traders lose not because of the market, but because they have no rules. That ends here with the Trader's Identity Lab Live Workshop. This hands-on step-by-step guide will build your personal trading blueprint in real time. No fluff, just practical tools you can use right away. Over 3 days, 1.5 hours per day, we'll design your rules together. How much to risk, when to enter, when to exit, how to stay disciplined. The market doesn't reward emotions, it rewards discipline. We'll put the building blocks together step by step. So at the end, you'll have your custom trading identity. Not mine, not anybody else's, but yours. From blocks to blueprints in just 3 days, you'll walk away with a roadmap you can return to whenever discipline gets tested. Let's lock in. Bring your notebook. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss it when we go live. Let's build your trading identity together.